Okay, now I am discussing second application of Gauss theorem. That is electric field intensity due to a thin infinite plane charge sheet. This is a sheet, thin infinite plane charge sheet. This is a sheet which is held perpendicular to this plane and it is having positive charge. Right? And I want to calculate the electric field intensity at this point P by using Gauss theorem. Right? How you will do this? इसको करने के लिए आपको first of all you have to imagine a Gaussian surface. आपको क्या imagine करना पड़ेगा? एक Gaussian surface, right? Here also you will take the Gaussian surface which is cylindrical in shape. Here you can take, this is the area of cross section A, right? On both the side of this sheet you have to consider this cylinder. If I will take this Uno card, I am showing you this sheet. इस पर एक पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, राइट? यहाँ पर भी और यहाँ पर भी, राइट? तो 1/2 part of the cylinder is present on this side and the remaining half is present on left side, right? So I will consider this cylinder, few part is here and the remaining is present on this side. Remaining is passing through this side. Yes, is it clear? To solve problem of Gauss theorem, we have to take the Gaussian surface. And due to this, what is the direction of electric field? It is radially outward. And the area of cross section is also same. Now, first we have to imagine Gaussian surface. Second, you can say now step 1. You have to write the Gauss theorem. According to Gauss theorem, E dot ds is equal to Q upon epsilon naught. Now, which type of charge distribution is this? Surface charge distribution. So, let sigma be the surface charge density. Let sigma be the surface charge density. So, what is sigma? Charge per unit area. All of you know what is sigma? Charge per unit area, right? In previous case, in first application, we have taken line charge distribution. So I have taken linear charge density, that is charge per unit length. Here I have taken sigma. Sigma is charge per unit area. So the surface integral of electric field over a closed surface is Q by epsilon naught. In step 2, I will find surface integral of electric field over this Gaussian surface. Again, I will divide this cylindrical area into 3 parts. This is area 1, this is area 2, curved surface area, and this is area 3. I am showing it as a dotted line, or you can show it by solid line, right? So E dot ds over first surface, it is supposed to be made up of 3 surfaces. E dot ds over first, E dot ds over second, E dot ds over third. E dot ds over third surface, right? For first surface, can you tell me, this is the area. This is the area. What is the direction of electric field intensity? It is radially outward due to this positive charge, right? And what is the area vector? If I will say this is the area of cross section, तो area भी कहाँ होगा? Outward. This is its area, ds. E and ds are in the same direction. So what is the angle between E and ds? Tushar, what is the, yes, what is the angle between E and ds? It is 0. So you can write this as 0. E ds cos of 0 for first surface, right? And for second surface, if I will say second surface, what is the direction of electric field? It is radially outward, right? And what is the area vector? Area vector is this one. Area vector is this one, right? This is the direction of electric field. Electric field is outward, and what is the angle between them? 90. So it become EDS. For second surface, it is EDS cos of 90. EDS cos of 90 for second surface. And for third surface, this is the third surface. It is also radially outward. Electric field is radially outward and DS is also outward or toward left side. It is toward left side. See, electric field due to this positive sheet is radially outward, either on right or toward left. Yes, is it clear? So here you can write this EDS as EDS cos of 0 for third surface. Yes, but this is clear to all of you? This is clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, this is EDS toward this side, and now you can say this term become equal to 0. Why? Because cos 90 is 0. Second term is 0 because cos 90 is 0. Now, electric field is same at all the point of this Gaussian surface, right? So, you can take it outside, and this is the ds over first surface. In the same way, for third surface, E is same and ds for third surface. Cos 0 is 1. Now what is the area of this portion? This is A. हमने assume किया इसका portion क्या है? A area है और इसका भी क्या है? Area of cross section A. You can write this as E into A plus 0 plus E into A. ठीक है? तो what it become? 2E into A. So the surface integral of electric field over a closed surface is 2E into A. Yes, is it clear, beta? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Please wait.
हाँ. Now you have to see the direction of electric field and area vector. In step 3, you have to put this value of E dot ds in equation number 1. Equation number 1 become 2EA q by epsilon naught. 2EA is equal to q by epsilon naught. I put this value of E dot ds in this equation number 1. So 2EA
ds की जगह a कैसे आया?
हाँ जी, देखो सरफेस एरिया का इंटीग्रेशन करना है आपने. यू हैव टू ऐड टोटल एरिया. तो ये पूरा एरिया आपका एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन फर्स्ट एरिया ए है. जब आप इसको टोटल इंटीग्रेट करोगे तो इसका एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन मैंने एज्यूम किया ए. हियर इट इज़ ऑल्सो ए. सो व्हाट इज़ द टोटल सरफेस एरिया? इट इज़ ए. Total area of this circular portion is A for both this first and third. Is it clear?
Okay, ma'am.
So 2EA is equal to Q by epsilon naught. Now I want to express it in terms of sigma. What is sigma? Sigma is charge upon area. I am writing here sigma is Q upon A. Sigma is Q upon A. तो Q कितना हो गया? सिग्मा इंटू ए. पुट दिस वैल्यू हेयर. 2EA is equal to sigma into A by epsilon naught. This A get cancel out. And what is the E becomes? Sigma by 2 epsilon naught. E is sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Yes, is it clear? I have in the last derivation we have taken lambda as charge upon length. Here I am taking the sigma as charge upon area. Charge upon area. So Q becomes equal to sigma into A. And electric field is E is equal to sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. You have to consider the charge on this much portion. All these areas are area of cross section, that is A. Yes, is it clear, beta? Have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if I will say plot the graph between electric field and the distance of the point. I am plotting it here. You can plot it on the next page or whatever be the page you have. If I will say plot the graph of E versus R. E versus R. What do you mean? R is the distance of this point P from the sheet. तो आपने जो फॉर्मूला डिराइव किया, व्हाट इज दिस, ई इज इक्वल टू सिग्मा बाय 2 एप्सिलॉन नॉट. इट इज इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ डिस्टेंस. It is independent of distance of the point. It is independent of distance of the point. तो कैसी शेप आएगी?
Parallel line.
Yes, it become a parallel line. आप R को चेंज करते जाइए. The value of E will remain same. The value of E will remain same. E is independent of. आप लिख सकते हो E is independent of the distance of the point. E is independent of the distance of point P. E is independent of the distance of point P. Yes. Is it clear, beta? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
करें आगे now.
Yes, ma'am.
Next is electric field intensity due to. ये इसका एक केस लगा लो, स्पेशल एप्लीकेशन नहीं है, इसी का ही पार्ट है. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी ड्यू टू टू थिन इनफाइनाइट चार्ज शीट. आपके पास ये 2 थिन इनफाइनाइट चार्ज शीट्स हैं. This is A and this is B, and this is having the surface charge density as sigma 1 and it is having the surface charge density as sigma 2. ठीक है. There are 2 sheets. दोनों पे surface charge density कहाँ है? Different. You have to calculate the electric field intensity in between these 2 plates. That is the point 1. Electric field on the right of this is point 2. And electric field present on the left side of sheet A, this is point 3. आपको इन तीनों पॉइंट्स पे क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. राइट. अभी हमने पढ़ा व्हाट इज द अगर आपके पास ये थिन शीट है, व्हाट इज द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी ड्यू टू थिन शीट? ड्यू टू थिन शीट इट इज E इक्वल टू सिग्मा बाय 2 एप्सिलॉन नॉट. अभी हमने पढ़ा व्हाट इज द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी ड्यू टू अ थिन शीट, इट इज सिग्मा बाय 2 एप्सिलॉन नॉट. पढ़ा आपने? हाँ जी. Yes, we have derived just before this.
Yes, ma'am.
So now, what is the electric field at point 1? Due to first sheet, it is outward, E1, toward right side. And due to second sheet, बताओ कहाँ होगी ये?
Away.
Away, toward. So what is the net intensity of electric field at point 1? It is E1 minus E2. It is E1 minus E2. What is the electric field intensity due to first sheet? Sigma 1 by 2 epsilon naught. And due to second, it is sigma 2 by 2 epsilon naught. This is the electric field intensity due to these 2 sheets at point 1.
First charge.
Yes. Now what is the electric field intensity due to these 2 sheets at second point? सेकेंड पॉइंट पे सेकेंड शीट की वजह से ये बाहर रेडियली आउटवर्ड. ड्यू टू फर्स्ट शीट इट इज़ रेडियली आउटवर्ड. दोनों की वजह से फील्ड कहाँ आ रहा है? टूवर्ड राइट साइड. सो दोनों की डायरेक्शन क्या है? सेम. सो इट बिकम E1 प्लस E2. सो इट इज़ sigma 1 by 2 epsilon naught plus sigma 2 by 2 epsilon naught. You can take common 1 by 2 epsilon naught and it becomes sigma 1 plus sigma 2. Yes. कोई डाउट इसमें यहाँ तक? What is the electric field intensity? तुषार, is it clear? तुषार, इन सेकेंड में देखो, यहाँ पर आपके पास देखो पॉजिटिव चार्ज से फील्ड कहाँ आता है? रेडियली आउटवर्ड. ड्यू टू सेकेंड शीट इट इज़ रेडियली आउटवर्ड. सिद्धार्थ, योर माइक इज ऑन. ऑफ करो उसे. नाउ due to this second sheet it is radially outward and due to first sheet it is radially outward. Due to both of these sheets field कहाँ है? Outward. So what is the value of E become? E1 plus E2. It is sigma 1 by 2 epsilon naught, sigma 2 by epsilon naught. Center में क्या था? Due to A sheet it is toward right side. Due to B it is toward left side. अगर हम ये पॉजिटिव चार्ज शीट ले लें तो इसकी वजह से इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कहाँ होगा? इस तरफ यहाँ और इस तरफ यहाँ. ठीक. अब आते हैं हम इस थर्ड पॉइंट पे व्हाट इज द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी ड्यू टू दिस ए, ये यहाँ पर होगा E1 और ये कहाँ होगा ड्यू टू दिस इट इज ऑल्सो E2 बट टूवर्ड विच डायरेक्शन, but toward which direction, negative direction. What is the electric field intensity at third point? It is E1 minus E1 minus E2. Why I have taken minus sign? बोलो भाई, why I have taken here minus sign? Because
Direction is toward
left.
negative axis.
Yes, it is toward negative axis. So sigma 1 by 2 epsilon naught plus sigma 2 by 2 epsilon naught. This is the electric field intensity in the third region. In the third region. Yes, is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Now, if I will say, अब आपके लिए एक part है. If these are the two sheets, one is having positive surface charge density and second is having negative surface charge density, plus sigma and this is minus sigma. Surface charge density is same. You have to find the electric field at this first point, this is second point, this is third point. आपको बताना है इन पे क्या होगा इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. केस इज सेम, वहाँ हमने सिग्मा 1 और सिग्मा 2 पॉजिटिव सेम लिया था. Here we have taken on one sheet, on sheet A the surface charge density is plus sigma and on second sheet it is minus sigma. ठीक है. How you calculate the electric field intensity at point 1, at point 2 and at point 3? First of all see, due to this positive, what is the direction of electric field? E1.
Outward.
Outward. अब due to negative क्या होता है? It is inward. अगर आपके पास कोई नेगेटिव चार्ज है, व्हाट इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी? इट इज इनवर्ड. इट इज इनवर्ड. तो E2 and E1 are pointing in the same direction. So you can say net electric field at point 1 is E1 plus E2. It is sigma by 2 epsilon naught plus sigma by 2 epsilon naught. What it become? इट इज सिग्मा बाय एप्सिलॉन नॉट. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रिजल्ट, कैपेसिटर में भी हम यूज़ करेंगे इसे. E1 plus E2. I will not take here sign of this negative charge because due to this negative charge it is pointing inward. It is pointing inward. It is sigma by 2 epsilon naught plus sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Both are pointing along same direction. That's why I added it and it become 2 sigma by 2 epsilon naught. 2 get cancel out and electric field is sigma by epsilon naught. Now what is the electric field at point 2? At point 2 what is the electric field? देखो फर्स्ट शीट की वजह से क्या होगा? ड्यू टू फर्स्ट शीट इट इज पॉइंटिंग इन विच डायरेक्शन? रेडियली आउटवर्ड. अब नेगेटिव की वजह से कहाँ होगा? इनवर्ड.
Inward.
अब दोनों का मैग्नीट्यूड सिग्मा सिग्मा बाय 2 एप्सिलॉन नॉट है, बट दोनों की डायरेक्शन क्या है? दोनों की डायरेक्शन क्या है? अपोजिट. दोनों की डायरेक्शन क्या है? अपोजिट.
Cancel out कर देंगे.
यस, कैंसिल आउट कर देंगे. दिस इज E1 माइनस E2 बिकॉज E1 इज टूवर्ड राइट एंड E2 इज टूवर्ड लेफ्ट. Sigma by 2 epsilon naught minus sigma by 2 epsilon naught. It get cancel out and it become 0. Yes, is it clear?
सिग्मा की वैल्यू सेम कैसे है?
Yes, what are you saying?
पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव की वैल्यू की सिग्मा की सेम कैसे है?
Yeah, we have taken it that this sheet having the surface charge density as plus sigma and this is minus sigma. We have taken this case, special case, that these two sheets having the equal and opposite surface charge densities. दोनों शीट्स पे सरफेस चार्ज डेंसिटी क्या होगी? इक्वल एंड अपोजिट. वी हैव टेकन दिस स्पेशल केस. नाउ अगर हम E3 की बात करें, व्हाट इज द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी एट थर्ड पॉइंट? थर्ड पॉइंट पे ड्यू टू फर्स्ट शीट इट इज टूवर्ड दिस साइड एंड सॉरी वेक्टर साइन नहीं ले रहे. E2 इज द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ड्यू टू दिस सेकेंड. ये कहाँ होगा? इनवर्ड. अब बताओ ये क्या हो जाएगा? राइट साइड आपका कौन सा है? E2 और लेफ्ट साइड आपका कौन सा है? E1. E2 minus E1, this is sigma by 2 epsilon naught minus sigma by 2 epsilon naught. ये भी क्या हो गया? 0.
Cancel out.
Yes, it get cancel out, and electric field intensity at point 3, at point 2 is 0. Only there is a electric field intensity at the point lie in between the two sheets. And what is that value? It is sigma by epsilon naught. Where it lies? Question is asked. And yes, done? All of you have done it?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the question is, if I will draw it again, electric field intensity, अभी हमने किया, अगर मैं ये शीट ड्रॉ करूँ, दिस इज फर्स्ट शीट और ए शीट, यू कैन से दिस इज बी शीट. So this is having positive charge density and this is having negative surface charge density. तो यहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड है आपका E इक्वल टू सिग्मा बाय एप्सिलॉन नॉट, और ये फील्ड कहाँ से कहाँ होगा? पॉजिटिव टू नेगेटिव, एंड दिस फील्ड इज यूनिफॉर्म. देखो, सिग्मा सरफेस चार्ज डेंसिटी है, सिग्मा इज द सरफेस चार्ज डेंसिटी, सो E इज कांस्टेंट in between the two sheets. The question is asked how the uniform electric field is produced. How uniform electric field is produced? कैसे produce कर सकते हैं? By placing two sheets having equal and opposite surface charge density. Answer is by placing two sheets having equal and opposite surface charge densities, or in between that the field is uniform. Yes, is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes, ma'am.
how we have to calculate now electric field intensity due to a thick sheet, due to a charged thick sheet. If I am saying this card is a thin sheet, if I will place one more card here, then it become a thick, it has some finite thickness. So you can suppose to be made this thick sheet to be too thin sheet. Draw this diagram. It is supposed to be made up of two thin sheets. It is supposed to be made up of two thin sheets, right? And I want to calculate electric field intensity at this point and at this point. So what is the electric field intensity? You can suppose it is to be made up of two sheets, first and second. फर्स्ट और सेकंड दो शीट मान लीजिए, तो यहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड क्या होगा? E1 प्लस E2, और यहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड क्या होगा? E1 प्लस E2 टूवर्ड दिस साइड. सो व्हाट इज द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड? सिग्मा बाय 2 एप्सिलॉन नॉट प्लस सिग्मा बाय 2 एप्सिलॉन नॉट, इट बिकम सिग्मा बाय 2 एप्सिलॉन नॉट. दिस इज सिग्मा बाय एप्सिलॉन नॉट. यहाँ पर भी यही होगा, सिग्मा बाय एप्सिलॉन नॉट. आप इसको क्या मान सकते हो? दो शीट्स के इक्वल मान सकते हो थिक शीट को. तो इस सेकेंड शीट की वजह से इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड बाहर, फर्स्ट की वजह से भी बाहर, बिकॉज इट इज़ इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ डिस्टेंस. सो इट इज़ 2 सिग्मा बाय 2 एप्सिलॉन नॉट एंड इट बिकम सिग्मा बाय एप्सिलॉन नॉट. येस, इज इट क्लियर? इज इट क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now the
Yes,
next,
ma'am.
those who joined the class late, please tell name बोलो अपने. कुणाल, विवेक, Please speak your name. Shivam Kaushik.